Hi, Professor. Hi, Professor. I do want to mention that I am at work while I am presenting this, so I'm sorry for any background noise, but I can't be home anytime soon to get this in time, so I hope you can understand. That aside, hi, my name is Fatima Maxosi, and my presentation is about biomes, and the topic that I chose in specific was, can a new biome emerge in the future? So the question is, what is a biome? A biome is a large-scale ecosystem that is classified by its climate, vegetation, wildlife, soil, and geography. Some examples of biomes are tundras, which are cold and icy biomes with little to no amounts of vegetation, rainforests, which are warm and humid biomes, overflowing with vegetation and wildlife, deserts, which are warm and dry biomes with little vegetation, and grasslands, which are open landscapes with lots of vegetation and wildlife. So the main question is, can a new biome emerge? And the answer to that is yes, a new biome can emerge. So how can a new biome emerge? Well, one, the climate. Climate change is one factor causing a new biome to emerge. Two, gas emissions. Gas emissions is also a factor causing a new biome to emerge. Three, impacts. Human impacts is one factor causing a new biome to emerge. Four, precipitation. Changes in precipitation is one factor causing a new biome to emerge. And lastly, five, evolution. Natural evolution is one factor causing a new biome to emerge. So all of these reasons listed above all contribute into why a new biome could potentially emerge. And right here I have some examples of new biomes emerging. So the first example is Arctic biomes turning into boreal forests. Due to climate change, warmer temperatures in the Arctic are causing tundra regions to transform into boreal forests. Another example is coastal to marine biomes. Due to rising sea levels, coastal regions are being submerged and turning into marine ecosystems. And a third example are grasslands turning into deserts. Due to human activities such as deforestation, grasslands are transforming into deserts. So how does new biomes emerging affect people globally? Well, one, agriculture. Some regions may become unsuitable for traditional farming. Two is wildlife. Some species may adapt to the new biomes while others may not. Three, humans. Cities will have to adapt to new environmental conditions. Four, resources. There will be a change in supply of resources. Some may flourish while others may not. And five, economy. Due to the changes, the economy could either flourish or plummet. Who often suffers as a result, and my top four contenders were humans, animals, plants, and ecosystems. What are the major concerns with new biomes emerging? Well, first is biodiversity. As species fail to adapt to new environments, ecosystems become less livable. Two is displacement. As regions become inhabitable, people may be forced to move. Three is food and water. Changes to biomes will impact agriculture and freshwater. And four is ecosystem. Disruptions in food chains and ecosystems may cause cascading effects leading to larger environmental problems. So what are the key problems following new biomes emerging? Number one is habitat loss. Number two is climate extremes. Number three is disrupted food chains. Number four is loss of biodiversity. Number five is economic impact. And number six is disrupted ecosystems. Specific parts of the planet that are affected by these problems are Arctic regions, tropical rainforests, deserts, coastal areas, and grasslands. What exactly happens relating to this issue? Changes in weather patterns. Biomes experience extreme weather, heat waves, floods, droughts. As climate shifts occur, examples, areas that were once temperate may become hotter and drier, leading to desertification. Species migration or extinction. Some species migrate to find suitable habitats while others may face extinction due to their inability to adapt. Example, polar bears struggle to find food due to melting sea ice. And another one is disruption of human life. People living in affected areas face economic and health challenges due to environmental challenges. Example are farmers struggling with unpredictable weather patterns, reducing crop yields and food supply. Many problems are complex. Emerging biomes are a result of multiple interconnected factors, such as climate change, human activities, invasive species, and biodiversity loss. These issues are interwoven, making it challenging to address them with simple solutions. Researchers and environmentalists emphasize that we must consider both global and local impacts to develop effective solutions. What happens if nothing is done? Well, number one is increased biodiversity loss. Species extinction rates would accelerate, many species would not be able to adapt to the changing biomes, and without action, ecosystems would lose crucial components that maintain ecological balance. Example, coral reefs would continue to die off due to rising ocean temperatures, leading to the collapse of marine ecosystems. And more deceptions, economic collapse. 4. Increased health risks. 5. Forced migration and conflict. 6. Irreversible climate change. And the last question is there a solution? Yes, solutions exist, but they require global cooperation, commitment, and action. Addressing the emergence of new biomes involves both mitigation and adaptation, adjusting to the changes. Let's look at the key strategies that can help. Number 1 is reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Number 2 is forest conservation and restoration. Number 3 is sustainable agricultural practices. Number 4 is protecting marine ecosystems. Number 5 is promoting sustainable urban development. Number 6 is climate change adaptation and resilience. And what can we do as individuals? Well, we can support sustainable practices by reducing waste, conserving water, and choosing eco-friendly products. Advocate for policies that focus on climate action, conservation, and biodiversity protection, and educate others about the importance of protecting natural habitats and understanding the impact of emerging biomes. New ideas and solutions. Are there any new ideas being developed? Yes, there are several innovative ideas currently being explored to tackle the emergence of new biomes and the related environmental challenges. How does this connect to the course? Well, number 1 is ecological principles, where we learned about biomes and ecosystems. Number 2 is climate change and adaptation, and we learned about the effects of climate change. Number 3 is biodiversity and species interactions, and we learned about the impact on biodiversity. 4 is human impact on the environment, and human activities altering biomes. In conclusion, the emergence of new biomes is a result of climate change, human activities, and ecosystem disruptions. If left unaddressed, it can lead to biodiversity loss, economic hardships, and health risks. Solutions like reducing emissions, restoring ecosystems, and sustainable practices are crucial to mitigating the impact. Innovative ideas such as geoengineering, regenerative agriculture, and AI for conservation offer hope for a sustainable future. Global action and collaboration are essential to creating a world where both people and the environment can thrive. And here's my works cited. Sorry to cut the presentation short. I am at work and I needed to hurry up since I do have people waiting for me. I hope you can understand and I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you very much.